Welcome to the Smart Tutor of Spoken English for My World. Let's look at the book media first. Each audio track has a recording facility which is enabled only after the audio track finishes playing. Through this, the time gap which is required between presentation, where the learner hears the audio, and production, where the learner repeats the conversation, is clearly defined. This is clearly based on Bersine McCarthy's format thesis, where she insists on linking perception and conceptualization. The videos in the Smart Tutor are based on workplace situations that the learner can link to their real life and assimilate. The audio and videos need to be watched, heard, and recorded, allowing multiple domains of intelligence to come in play to activate embodied learning. The audio and videos come with the option of seeing the written script.
Watch video 6 and read the conversation between two people who are meeting for the second time.
The self-tutor has interactive exercises which have both controlled outcomes with the constant learning confirmation and open-ended outcomes where the learner exercises complete autonomy on their learning process. This allows controlled learner autonomy and focuses on Noel's proposition on learners' readiness to learn, also acknowledging that mature learners have inherent learning motivation. The controlling aspect is there to activate learner motivation by combining gaming logic and artificial intelligence. In the IPA Smart Tutor, the learner can listen to how a sound is pronounced and then record it. This is the only purely theoretical section to have been included in the Smart Tutor. A conscious effort has been made to follow a problem-solution approach to the content and include only elements which Indian adult speakers of English struggle with while using the language. The IPA Smart Task is an example of a controlled task. Here, the learner hears a word and chooses an IPA for it. Only when the learner's choice is correct can they record their own pronunciation of the word and hear it. If their choice is incorrect, they will not be able to unlock the recording option. The learner is expected to understand this process of learning and be motivated about the outcomes on their own. Also, it is assumed that the learner will learn how to navigate through the Smart Tutor based on their prior experience with digital material. The Smart Tutorials are a host of interesting interactive tasks for adults. The task shown here is an example of one controlled and one autonomous activity placed side by side. In the first exercise, the learner cannot check the answers or submit their answers without filling all the boxes. On the other hand, the next exercise is open-ended. The video-based tasks have the option of showing the script, allowing the learner to decide to complete the exercise either by reading the script or watching the video. The printable documents, that is, phrasal verbs and idioms, and commonly confused words are specially chosen to address the problem areas of Indian learners. Therefore, the DVD works like a personal smart tutor for self-learners.